They
Alright,
had
I
the
need
shoe
everybody to shut
sparkling
the
feet
fuck up and look at
with
the
the
feet.
tiki fire flagpoles.
Look at the motherfucking feet. Nothing else. Look at the feet. Y'all see how they sparkling up that goddamn street? They the only color guard team I seen do this shit. I ain't seen nobody nowhere else do this shit. And they just now look at this shit. They skipping through the tunnel with the motherfucking color guard poles with the fire at the. They got the tiki fire at the top of the poles, bitch. Ain't nobody doing this shit, man. I love different, but hold that thought. Y'all see how dirty this motherfucking street is, full with bags and shit. Like, who the fuck gonna clean up that damn street and how much they paying? Cause I know it gotta be a lot. These kids still murdering, but look at that motherfucking trash on that street, boy. I know y'all getting paid a lot to pick up that trash. I know.